Kingscliff is a 4-bedroom house located in a quiet street in Kingscliff. It's got a pool in the front yard of the property hidden behind a 6-foot high fence. Here we'll take the office drone up and we'll have a bird's eye view of the property. Also in the front yard area is a barbecue cabana, also side access to the property and a fenced backyard. And then we'll go down the street level, and this is how the property presents from the street with a 6-foot high fence. Quick look at the pool. This is the in-ground pool at the front of the property. It's had some improvements done, including a bondwood deck entrance, also a new front door. Stepping inside the property, you've got a lounge area at the front of the property overlooking the pool. Beyond that, a tiled family room, which goes out to the backyard. Modern kitchen, corner pantry, linen press up the hallway, main bedrooms at the end of the hallway. It also has an ensuite bathroom, walk-in robe with plenty of shelves and hanging, and both second, third and fourth bedrooms all have built-ins. Main bathroom sees a bath, a separate shower, separate toilet, internal laundry. Then we'll go out, we'll have a look at the front yard. Here is the pool in the front yard of the property. It's got a barbecue cabana. You can treat every day as if you're on a holiday. Table and chairs surrounding the pool. It's also got side access to the property, and that side access continues all the way down the side of the house. At the rear of the property there's another entertaining area which wraps around the side of the property, and in the backyard as well there's clothesline and garden shed. Our last video clip here is another aerial view of the property, showing the property here in proximity to the Kingscliff, which is in the distance. If you'd like more information on viewing this property, then please call selling salesperson Julian Cleak 0400 617 494. Email him at julian@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos and information visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.